To change the transmission or main gear case fluid on your Ranger 500, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Then, remove the fill plug and set aside. Next, place a drain pan under the drain plug. Tip: placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Continue by moving under the vehicle and clean the area around the drain plug. Then remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Tip: inspect the O-ring and replace as needed. Next, reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Now, add the recommended fluid to the bottom of the fill plug hole. Do not overfill. Then, reinstall the fill plug and torque to specification. Before continuing, clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.